Before cars, before trains, before engines, one animal made the world move faster. This is a song, but these are real facts. Everything you hear is based on history, biology, and research. The horse is not just an animal, it is a turning point. Before the horse, humans moved slowly, land was large, travel was hard. Then the horse appeared beside humans, and distance became smaller. One day of walking became 1 hour of riding. Speed changes everything, and the horse gave humans speed. This animal did not just run, it changed how humans live. A horse can weigh over 500 kilograms, but it can still run fast, turn quickly, and stop suddenly. His legs are built like springs, his heart is large, his lungs pull in huge amounts of air. This is not luck, this is evolution, yeah. The horse is built to move, not once, but for long distances. Strong enough to carry humans, fast enough to escape danger, balanced enough to do both. A horse can see almost all around its body. It can hear sounds from far away. It feels danger before it arrives. This is why horses survive, not by fighting, but by noticing early. The horse is a prey animal, his brain is built to stay alive. Not aggressive, not careless, just always aware. Empires moved on horses, messages traveled on horses. Farms worked because of horses. Wars were decided by who controlled them better. For thousands of years, the horse was technology, living technology. Before machines, animals were the machines. The engine did not replace the horse, it copied it. A horse does not follow commands blindly, it learns trust. If it trusts you, it will carry you. If it does not, it will not move. This is not weakness, this is intelligence. The horse chooses cooperation, not control. Strength that listens is stronger than force. Today horses are no longer needed to move cities, but they're still used to teach humans balance, patience, and control. They mirror emotions, they respond to calm. A nervous rider creates a nervous horse. Horses react to how you feel, not what you say. The horse did not conquer the world, it helped humans do it. This animal shaped history without ever ruling it. Not loud, not aggressive, just powerful, balanced, and aware.